YouTube, welcome back to Alexander Acres. My name's Larry, and today I just decided to simulate a blackout, a power outage. As you can see, we have batteries here, solar generators by Ecoflow. We also have gas generators, 240 volt with that Troy built, 120 with the Predator. They're both 30 amp. Everything is 30 amp. Notice off to the left of the breaker panel, that is my 30 amp inlet box. As I open the panel, first thing I'd like you to notice is we have a interlock kit, which will not allow us to backfeed the grid when the power's on. Here we'll take another look at the generators, gas and solar. Got a lot of storage with the Ecoflows. 14.4 kilowatt hours. Here we go. Power is off. At this point, interlock switch falls and allows me to turn on the generator power, but not until we get everything connected. So we have two Ecoflow Delta Pro main units along with two Ecoflow Smart Extra batteries. These cables will allow me to connect one smart battery to one main unit. I could do two smart batteries per main unit, and those are future plans. We'll talk about that toward the end of the video. Also have solar panels to mention, all the different ways that I'll charge, but now that that's connected, we will make our way to the front. That is the Delta Pro dual voltage hub. In order to take the 120 from each pair and combine them for 240 volts, need dual voltage hub. And we have 240 volts ready to go into the house. Some power going. Now see your typical RV or camper connector, 30 amps. And this is what I'll use to connect to the house via the 30 amp inlet box. First, plug to the double voltage hub. Twist. That's where you power up. Save that. So we'll connected. Back to the panel, to the opposite end. Had a tough time getting aligned. There's only one way for it to go, and go. Now we'll power up the panel. Now we're back at the units. Power's on. Notice the fans will come on because I didn't shut off any power to the house. Every load has instantly been powered. The press of one button on the dual voltage hub. Doing an emergency, we'll run this minimally, but I just wanted to max it out. There we have it. Let's make our way around. See, the garage is lit. Have it. We'll make our way into the house. Again, this is normal living. Dryer powers up instantly. No hesitation, no light flickers. Washer powers up. In the basement, we have 2 deep freezers. Saw the fridge in the garage. Have a fridge in the house. Microwaves running, TV's running. Quick little view of the Ecoflow app through my phone, not aligned with this video, so the amount of power being used is not accurate. Just wanted to give you an opportunity to see what it looks like. Stove's running. At this point, make our way to the bedroom. Things on. It's like normal. One of the most important reasons doing this is because generators are loud and noisy, and I really wanted more options because without power we can't get water from our 240 volt well, and it's the simple things. So here you'll notice this is the setup that I would love to have, and this is my goal. I'm going to complete this setup. Right now I have the 6 200 watt solar panels. They're by Rich Solar at 15 amps. And I also have what you saw at the very beginning of the video, the 2 Ecoflow Delta Pros with the 2 extra smart batteries, giving me 14.4 kilowatt hours of battery storage. That could be charged off solar panels, which would be ideal, or I could run my generators and get them charged up really well. plan is to add the 4 500 watt solar panels, giving me a total of 2 1600 watt solar arrays that will max out the amount of charge per 120 volt setup. And that's the ultimate goal. As long as we have sun, I have power. Use it responsibly, a little common sense, minimally during an emergency, a power outage, a shift for those that speak that language. But yeah, this is my goal. I hope this helps someone out. I hope this motivates someone. I've been working on this setup since February of 2022, and I plan to max it all the way out. If this helps, hit that like button. I'd like some input. But yeah, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.